Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So today I'm going to be reviewing a few of the main altcoins. It's going to be Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dash, and BitConnect. So I'm going to be doing technical analysis on these altcoins traded versus the US dollar, because I have nothing new to say for these altcoins traded against Bitcoin. I think anything traded against Bitcoin right now is a bearish, very bearish. So my last assessment didn't change in that, so I'm not going to be reviewing it versus Bitcoin, only versus the US dollar. So I'm going to start with Ethereum. This is the Ethereum versus US dollar one-day candles from BitFinex. So what I can see here is this major support line, and the level that the price is right now, we still have a lot of room to come down and test this line again. And of course, I don't expect this to be in a single candle. It's going to be going down and bounce and down. So we will probably have bounces on the way, but it's very possible that this line is going to be tested again. And I do believe it's going to hold at least for some time, because the two previous times when this line was tested, we got a lot of buying power here. As you can see, we can only see the wick, and straight away, boom, all the way up. So it means there's a lot of buy orders already here for this line. So if we do get to test this line, I would expect a big bounce from here, and I would have to take the analysis from there, because right now I see lower highs. So this high is lower than the previous one, and this high is lower than the previous one, so this is bearish. But in the other hand, we have higher lows, so this could be an equilibrium pattern, lower highs and higher lows. But I'm not sure, because at the same time we have a lot of volume here as well. So usually when you get equilibrium patterns, it's usually low volatility and low volume, and it means that it's preparing for a big movement. But in this case, we don't have low volatility or low volume. So this could be anything really. This could be a triangle, this could be I'm not sure. I will have to take the analysis day by day here. But what I can see for the short term, maybe testing the support and holding and bouncing from here, and let's see where the high is going to be if it actually goes down to test this line. Next one, Litecoin. So this is Litecoin versus US dollar one-day candle from BitFinex. Litecoin overall is uptrending. We had a mini bubble here, top, crash, return to normal, crash. Here we had a second bull trap, but this is the daily candles. But if we look at the smaller time frames, we could see here probably a bull trap. And then before the final crash, it usually corrects 80 to 100%. In this case, it retraced a lot more. The wick finishes here, so, or at least from the BitFinex chart. But overall, after this, it just jumped really quick, and since then, same level high, higher low, higher high. I don't know where this low is going to finish, but what I can see overall is that this is uptrending, but at the same time there's divergence in this trend, which means it's going flat at the top. So this signals for consolidation. If you see here, it's uptrending, but it's getting, you know, like a rounded shape, getting flat here. Also, the moving averages are signaling for consolidation, because there's not one moving average above the other one for a long time. Like in here, for example, in the uptrend, we have the red moving average above the blue moving average, so it's a clear uptrend. But here they touched, here they crossed, and now they're about to cross again. So this is like the moving averages are consolidating. So I would anticipate a consolidation for Litecoin between the levels of 50 and 60, from $50 and $60. In terms of probability, I think it's probable that it's going to consolidate around this price for some time. But yeah, just like Ethereum, I'm going to have to take it day by day. That's what I can see for the short term. Next one up, Dash. Okay, so Dash is uptrending. It had a bubble here as well. We see the top, return to normal, second bull trap before the big crash. It crashed, retraced from 80 to 100%, quickly recovered, but it didn't make it for a higher high, and it went back down again. Now it's about to test this uptrend support line as well. If this one doesn't hold, I would expect to go to the next one. The next one comes only from this wick here. I don't usually use wicks, but these are the daily candles. So if we go into any other smaller time frame, there's going to be a lot of candles that have actually closed at this level. So it's possible that we go to test this line to make a second touch for this uptrend support. And if this one doesn't hold, the last support would be this one, which is where we got a lot of buying power as well. Here we touched here and we went up really quick and really high, so there's a lot of buy orders at this level, which makes sense because it's resistance here, here, and here. So that would be the last line, which is at the level of $217. I expect this line to hold, at least bounce to some level, but if this line doesn't hold and if the price goes below 217, then I would call it maybe the first signal for a bear market, because so far I cannot call this a bear market. The overall trend is uptrending, so I have to call it a bull market, even though it's been many days and weeks already downtrending. But the overall trend I cannot say is downtrending because it's very clearly uptrending. But that's the last that would be the last line down, $217. If this one doesn't hold, that could signal the beginning of a reversal, of a downtrend in a bigger scale. So that's all I have for these coins. And now back to BitConnect. So guys, I wanted to show you here. I'm very happy holding my Bitcoin and my BitConnect. Of course, I don't give anything a 100% profit probability. And BitConnect is not an exception. So never put anything more than you're willing to lose if you're going to do it. With this being said, in an assessment of probabilities, Bitcoin and BitConnect are the ones to be holding. I have been saying this for the past 2 weeks, and since then, the gains have been awesome. So I did, this is my strategy. My strategy is to have 50% loans and 50% staking. I have at the moment $2,000 in loans, so you can see here that it's not what I tell people to do, it's what I actually do. But as I said before, this is a very, very small percentage of my capital. So if I have to lose it, I'll lose it, and I'll just take it like I always do. But with this being said, I don't see any more risk in BitConnect than the risk I see investing in any other altcoin, and especially any altcoin that is below the top 10 in market cap. So I wanted to show you my earnings. So I had actually, these earnings are for the last 2 weeks since I actually joined, but this accounts only for a $1,000 loan, because the other $1,000 I just put them 3 days ago, or 2 or 3 days ago. It's gonna say here the 21st. Today is the 23rd, so I got paid only 2 times for the second 1,000. So this accounts only for the first $1,000 loan. So $200 for 2 weeks. So $100 a week for only $1,000 investment is really good. I don't see these people stop paying anytime soon. So I'm very happy with that, and I have the other part staking in my local wallet, and whatever I get from interest, I just transfer it and convert it into the BitConnect coin, because it's so far going up in value. Now, I think what I can see, it's right now it's $202, this coin. I think it will go up to 4,000 or 500 before having a major correction, and I would see the correction going down to more or less 150. That's what I got from the technical analysis, but of course, expect me to be wrong. You know what my record is. I'm wrong maybe 3 times out of 10, so I cannot promise anything. 70% probability is not a 100% probability, but that's what I can assess from my analysis. I think this coin is going to go easily up to 400 before actually correcting for good. This coin is going to be doing good so long as Bitcoin is doing good. But of course, I will continue to update. And my plan is, if I can foresee a crash in BitConnect or a major correction, I would be converting my coins into loans, because the loans, what they do is they protect you from bear markets. Since I don't expect this company to stop paying anytime soon, if I'm staking coins but the value doesn't go up, then I'm not making any profit, and I don't want to be making no profit. I want to be making profit all the time, or as much as I can. So if I can foresee a correction, I would put it in loans, so that they will continue to pay me every day in dollar value. So that's at least I'm going to be getting interest, or I shouldn't say at least, I'm going to be getting very nice interest. So that's the way to do it. For now, I'm okay having 50% loans and 50% coins. And the higher the coin goes, I'm going to be transferring some more to loans, and I'm going to have more loans than coins. And if I expect the coin to go up, then I would have more coins than loans, or at least 50-50. So I hope this idea is clear. Thank you very much, guys, for the people that joined my team here. So if you join my team, or if you did already, if you join and you do a loan, I have 2 people that did loans here. So if you guys want, let me know in a comment on my latest YouTube video. Let me know your name here, your username on BitConnect, and I will, if you did a loan, I will share with you a link so that you can access my premium videos. At least as a thank you, I want to share the value with you as well. So just let me know if you join and do a loan. Let me know in my latest video, and I will answer you, and I will send you the link for my premium videos as a private message on YouTube. And if I don't answer the comment, please leave a comment on my next video, because sometimes I don't get notified in older videos, but I will send you the link for sure. And if I do more premium videos in the future, I will add them to the same link, so you will be able to access them all the time, like for life. So yeah, everything it's going great now. These markets are moving, and as I said, I'm very happy holding Bitcoin and BitConnect. I'm not too bullish on the altcoins for now. Let's see what happens after the forks, and as usual, I will continue to update. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.